60 days from Yukon River Quest 2026. This is the 23-0 180 degree awning. I tried to put this on last night on the driver's side with the front runner quick release racks that I mounted, and the problem is they sit too low. So what happens, I've got the mounts right here, and they're not very tall, so the awning hangs down and was hitting the top of my lock for my Expedition Essentials lock for the it's a quick release and a lock for my traction boards. So I'm gonna have to come up with plan B. They send a mounting kit. So I got two mounting kits. I used the 270 awning kit from Front Runner for the Onyx, which is this, the 270 degree, and I like how that works. It's a quick release. But this is for 180 and 270 Peregrine, which this is the Peregrine, the 180. And I also got the optional wall kit with the 180. So we're gonna unbox these and put new mounting brackets on here and try and get it set up on the driver's side of the 21 Tacoma. There we go, Yukon River Quest 2026.